Mouttet organizers take a hit, but the show goes on. Hi, I'm Debbie. Melissa casting a pall on calendar events. The Mouttet Mile, however, flying through the gate. And the big winner owned by an all-woman outfit that includes sprinter Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price.
The big one at Caymanas Park. For equine enthusiasts, Mouttet Mile, the premier race day. Bet on it, and they do, in droves. Here early to soak up the atmosphere and check out the competition, be it hands-down favourite or dark horse.
All right, I'm my ass and run all day, and I'm going to continue run, and them have to go running down, run all day.
Mouttet also a social event. Posers among the punters.
70s baby, groovy. I think horse racing Cayman Parks, it says Jamaica. It's in our blood, it's in our lineage, and it's just a good time.
The afros and platforms a wink to disco, looking sharp.
And I woke up this morning and I'm like, poof, new here. I spotted Elvis Presley running around here.
Who doesn't like to dress up?
Once you think of horse racing, you think of an experience. And this is really what Mouttet Mile presents. And every year is a different theme. And this year being the 70s, you just have to deck out and come.
Or escape a freezing winter back home.
7-hour flight. Yeah.
Away from?
Atlanta.
I'm Andy Serling. I work for the New York Racing Association, and we also do racing coverage on Fox Sports. And it's my third trip down for the Mouttet Mile, and I just love coming every year.
Sterling weather apart, Mouttet now a thing, tapping into a unique energy around local horse racing.
We love to cover new races, and there's so much enthusiasm. So many Jamaican fans. First of all, you go to the track, any track in America, and most of the crowd are Jamaicans. So I feel like basically every day is Jamaican Day when I'm in New York even. And so there's some cohesion between the two. And when the opportunity emerged a few years ago to cover the race, they were all for it.
Something of a long shot, but
Garvino's my pick in the Mouttet Mile.
Definitely grew up in the horse race industry. So coming here, Jamaica is what I heard is the largest purse in the Caribbean islands. So to come here and celebrate that this weekend, it means a lot.
If it's even $1,000, put something on the table.
Right, and did you make a bet on any horses?
I made a bet on race 5 and 6. I won't tell you which one because last time I did that, I wasn't so successful. But let's see what happens. I did place it, so I'm hoping to get some returns on my money.
Excluding the gambling aspect of it, I think it's a fun sport. I think it's an enjoyable sport. I think people should come out and experience it because it's worth watching.
I don't know much about horse racing, but just sometimes you feel it, you fall in love with the name of a horse and decide to go. And it's fun when you see that horse coming around and you're screaming and everything. It's just fun, and especially if the horse should win, it's even better.
better still, with lots more on the line in 2025.
We started with $150,000 back in 2023. This year, we have a purse of $300,000 for the feature race. And of course, it's not just about the feature race. We have an 11 race card.
Each with a minimum of $1 million at stake.
This is the biggest race. This is the place to be. And the $300,000 purse is the purse to get.
Dark up the place, that's the boss. The biggest thing in the dark. Jamaica is the kingpin of the Caribbean when it comes to racing. The racing industry needs more days like this. We have the best crowd, the best fans anywhere in the world, and the atmosphere is just right. Everything is just awesome about it. This is a made-for-TV event. They are carrying 3 of our races. We are collectively 1 hour today in front of millions of people around the world.
Mouttet Mile not blown off track by the hurricane, but the organizers did register its impact.
We took a $200 million hit, but hey, $200 million is a big figure, but it pales in comparison to what the rest of the country is going through with $1.3 trillion. The Prime Minister said we must keep the fight going, keep commerce going, keep our people alive. Our people need entertainment, right? That's our lifeblood. 3 punters today won $10 million each. So there's a lot of value in here. So I've so much riding on this place. This thing is so important for so many people that you just have to keep moving.
How important is it to still maintain these entertainment events and things that can bring back joy and positiveness to the country?
Being able to come together and have a nice time is very important, especially as we enter the Christmas season. But as we do it, we have to bear in mind that for many hundreds of thousands of Jamaicans, they're not in a place where they can have that. So we have to do it, with that, always keeping in mind the need to share and help others at this time. So it's a delicate balance in a sense, but very important.
Racing's great. It's just a great day. Plus, it's 85 degrees here and it's 20 at home. So,
apart from the weather, what makes the Jamaican experience different from what you guys normally experience in New York?
it's the people. You come down here and just it's a big party. Everyone's having a good time, but the fans are really engaged and they're very knowledgeable. So up in New York, especially at Aqueduct, a big part of our core is the Jamaican constituency. So there's a connection here, and that's 300 grand. So once you get over that $250,000, like you're playing in the big leagues now. Listen, we're looking forward to doing this for a long, long time.
Happy faces, Mouttet moments, and an excited crowd in the stands for the big race.
Rideallday and Javier Castellano making short work of the field. They win by almost...
Rideallday, ridden by Javier Castellano, riding away with the purse.
When asked, he responded, I feel like I got it. I won the race.
The owners, an all-female collective that included an absent Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price.
I just absolutely love horses. When Gary and Solomon came with the idea, I said, I'm in. I'm in. I just love horses.
We're showing women that it can be done, and we just love doing it.
This is a men's sport. We've just joined it. Jamaica's 5 weeks post-Melissa, and we've all been under a lot of pressure. 30 to 40% of our country is still in trouble, but we're here to serve, and we're going to help our fellow man.
Another one in the bag for trainer Philip Vianney. Not showing much emotion, but pretty pleased.
Great. Can't feel much better.
What kind of work does it take to get to the point where you have a horse that can win like this?
A lot of luck, a lot of patience, a lot of help. I like a good horse. Not me running, the horse runs.
Mouttet Mile 2025, another runaway success for Solomon Sharp and Supreme Ventures. Can't wait for next year.